What's up guys, in today's video we're gonna try and build my wardrobe with a tight budget of 500 cedis.
Another one.
We're gonna be going to the world's biggest second-hand market, which is Cantamanto, because I saw these guys' videos.
Did you know,
online.
aside from the 250 cedis for 10 thrifties and Lacoste, I've also got solid storage and brand new t-shirts.
And it's very budget friendly. And yeah, let me show you the wardrobe we are rebuilding. As you can see, there's little to no clothes over here, right? Forget about the hats, because I saw the hats. This was I'm selling them here. So there's little to no clothes in the wardrobe. I know that 500 is not that much of like money, but hopefully we can make it work. We can actually, at least we should be able to like get like 2 outfits out of the 500 cedis. And yeah, and hopefully I'll be posting one of the outfits on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll refer, like I'll, you know, post I got it from Cantamanto over there. Exactly. So first things first, I'll have to go and meet up with my friend at the saloon, and then from there we get going to Cantamanto. So see you there. Made it to the salon and my guy is still not done. So this nigga got you right. But
I must buy 1 or 2 bags.
How much is it worth? How many are you buying?
I'm buying like 10. I'm getting 10 teas for like 2.
That shit's tough.
It's not my job, so it's big.
I can't give me. This shit's calm. Huh?
I think this is my size and the design is.
Should I talk to the viewers?
Yeah, the design is okay. Do I get another one for you?
The black shirts are down here. For you, bro.
No, for you, I'm saying like, should I get another one? I'll get another one for you.
Ride the shit.
Years later, when the chicken ties are experience videos, is it worth it?
Bro, the shit I will find over here is ass.
Yeah, just let me 2 to be fair. I ended up taking these 2 shorts. It was 50. The same for this one. Let me show you the ones that was part of the 250 deal. We have this.
You don't really see that.
This is decent.
Yeah, this is like after. I mean,
This was after craft. This is back. Yeah, this is for my friend.
Okay, this.
Of this one.
I think they're selling some shoes to some people. She doesn't even know the price.
Okay, so basically this is all that we have so far. So when I get back to my place and I'll try them on, and then we'll try and make an outfit. Okay, we'll try and make as much as we can, and then be reviewing it one by one when I get back to my place. So far, I don't know. You told me if you said W, you said L 15 because at first I thought it was going to be R, but so far
Yeah, I think
way later. Yeah, they were so shitty. But actually, you know, I actually fuck with the jaws too.
The what?
The jaws, excuse me.
Jones.
Yes.
Jones.
You call it jaws.
Nigga, these are just shorts. Jorts are jeans shorts. These are just shorts.
And this is what?
Shorts. They're just shorts.
That's for the swaggy lifestyle we call it.
No.
So guys, we're back at my place. So now we're going to check. Let me show you the wardrobe now that we finished purchasing and like fixing it with the clothes that we have. And it's okay, this is it. We've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 these and like 2 jots. Yeah, I think it's pretty decent. It's fine. With the budget that we had, I think this amount of clothes is decent. And so yeah, let me try them on. Let's start with this one. I like the way this one looks because it's simple and it has some few designs in the front. So I will just try it on and see how it looks. So I don't know. I like the way it fits from the neck all the way to the sides. But maybe I don't feel it like that because it's a little oversized for me. But let's move on to the next thing. Just so you guys remember, they are all from the 250 series deal that we got at the Continental place. Yeah, this is like nice. I like this one. I like the design at the front, but I don't really fall with the design at the back. But I think the sizes, I think they, from what I'm seeing right now, it looks okay. I want to see how it looks on body, so we're going to try this one too. I'm not really a fan of tighties, but I don't know. This one is okay. I like this one. This one is fine. This one is chill for me. This one is cool for me, but it depends on what you want. So you have to be checking and searching the same way we did, so that we get tees like this, for instance. Yeah, and then you have to know your size. Like for instance, me, I'm size medium, and I know like how my t-shirts are supposed to be like. Yes. And let's move on to the next one. You know, it's lucky crazy what 250 can get you, right? That's kind of one too. Even the 250. Like I didn't really get 10 t-shirts for 250, right? But I think I got like 6 or 7, one of them. Yeah, I got 6 or 7. I got 7 because my friend took 3. Okay, so of them took like 5. So like it was a little bit over 250. So it was like 280 thereabout. Yeah, and we were able to get like 5 plus 7 is 12. We were able to get like 12 tees for 280, so I think it's a good deal. This was one of the t-shirts that we got from the deal. So I will try this on too and see how it looks on body. But it looks like it looks medium, it looks small, almost like this one. But we're gonna see how it looks on body. Yes. So I really fuck with this one. I fuck with this one. I fuck with the way it goes on my shoulders and like gets to this part of my body. The way it's like a bit tight, but not too tight, and it's medium. And it's like cropped, but it's not as cropped. I don't know. And you wouldn't tell that this is from Kantamanti. Just be honest, you wouldn't tell this is from Kantamanti. I think it's decent, it's calm. I can take it anywhere and nobody will know that I got this one for literally fucking 25 cities, 30 maybe. Nobody will know. So yeah, let's try and throw the shorts on and see how it looks with this one. Yeah, that's cool. I said we're going to like make an outfit, right? One or two. We're gonna see how this one looks on body. These shorts, I like it. I got this one for 50 cedis. I think I told you guys already when we got to my friend's house. I told you that we got this one for 50, yeah. So we're gonna see how it looks on body and try and rate it out of 10. I don't know how far about the shorts right now. Maybe because the waist is too wide for me. But let me throw it out and I can see how it looks. I don't know if I can really wear this anywhere. But this outfit is pretty me like it's like a 6, 5, 6, one of them. But yeah, they're just not terrible. We're going to try with the different t-shirts and see if that is nice or not. Maybe I'm not happening with the right shoes. But over here at this place, I don't think I have much shoes that will feel this vibe. Let me see. Maybe these. Nah, I wouldn't go out like this. And then we have this long sleeve that I really fuck with this. And because of how this looks, it's short. I think it's going to fit. It's going to be all the way here or something. Like it's going to be from here all the way here or some shit. I don't know, but I really like it. It looks nice. Like if I look at it, I'll be like, yeah, it's nice. I don't know. I wouldn't really tell. You wouldn't really know if this is from Panto or not. I was gonna try it on with the shorts and see if it fits or not. Well, I've never tried something like this before. But let me see which shoes that can match this vibe. Probably this one, or this one of them. I'll try them on. Okay guys, I've tried it 2 shoes and I think this one fits me the best. This one goes on better than this shoe, the F4 ones. Yeah, do I see myself wearing this outside? Yes, because it's low-key tough. And we are still looking for the outfit we are going to post on Instagram. Yeah, so this is a very good outfit. This is a very good outfit. I really like the way, like, the color combination is not that much, but at the same time, it's there. So that's why I fuck with it. We have this one, that's like a little dirty right here. Yeah, this is what comes with continental stuff. Some of them will be dirty, some of them will be nice, some of them will like, say for instance, these shorts, like, I've checked them out. Right? I checked them out and there is no hole in the pocket. But sometimes, some of the jewels that you buy from those sites, those places, they have like holes and like they come dirty and stuff. Some of them are clean, some of them smell nice, some of them smell like shit. But yeah, it really depends on what's like where and when you go. So yeah, so let's try this one on. Okay, I already wasn't really fucking with this from the beginning because I don't like the way it looks on me. Like I didn't like the way it looked because like the design was so shit and like I didn't know it to fit like this, but it does. It's like some type of like triangle or something. I don't like how it fits. Nah, I don't see myself wearing this out. Probably maybe when I'll just wear this when I'm like cleaning the house and stuff. But I don't see myself wearing this outside. So let's go and get the second jot that we go. So So this is the second jot, right? This is the second shoulder that we got. Okay, between this one and the black one, I fuck with this one the most. Maybe because I'm not a fan of black like that, but I still fuck with black. I want to try how this looks on body. I want to see how it looks on body, and I'll try it with and without the belts, so we'll see how it fits on body. Okay, without the belts, this is how it looks. I literally have to either open my legs for anyone to fall, or hold it because it's very wide and my waist is small, so you have to try the belts. You have to wear the belts. Well, I think it fits better like this. I like the way it goes, the way it fits me, the way it goes like all the way back past my knees. And yeah, so this is that. Let's try let's try the last T with this joke. See, let's try it. Okay, I said try it, but let me show you the shades first. Let me show you. This is it. This is that. So let's see how it goes. Did you all fuck with the transition?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how it looks.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Let me check the mirror. Well, this tee and the jorts and the shoes, I know it's a bad combination. Let me say this. They are not a bad combination, but I will not wear this with these shoes. Maybe I would, or I'll just change the socks. Let me change the socks and see how it looks. Well, this is the socks, the white socks with the gray shoes and the gray shorts and the white top. Did it make much of a change? I think so. Do I see myself wearing this out? I do see myself wearing this out. I don't think there's a better option in my shoe rotation right now, so right now in this environment. Better than this. Better than this shoe right now. I have more shoes as my AP, but it's all the way to the beach. And I'm in East Legon, and I actually can move by car and then go all the way there and come back. But girl, I will not spend money to just go there, come back for some fucking shoe or a fucking video. Unless you subscribe. If you subscribe, I'll do it. But yeah, this is decent. This is decent. And yeah, so far, I think I only fuck with probably two t-shirts. But I fuck with the two jorts, but I fuck with this one. So it's time for me to pick my favorite item from the whole rotation. And I'll say it's this jorts. It's nice, it's long, it's a little bit baggy. And also I wanted to get some jeans, but I wasn't able to. But it's alright, next time. So if you make it this far, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you for watching me, and see you in the next one. We're done.